In this essential Instagram Reels tutorial, we are going to master a feature that creators have wanted for years: how to add multiple audio tracks to Instagram Reels directly inside the app. We will learn how to layer different songs, sound effects, and voiceovers to create a professional audio mix without leaving Instagram. We all know that audio is half the magic of a great reel. For a long time, if you wanted to mix a trending song with a sound effect or transition into a different track halfway through your video, you had to use a third-party editing app like CapCut or VN. It was a hassle to export, import, and try to keep the audio quality high. But that has changed. Instagram has released a powerful update to its built-in editor that now allows you to add up to 20 different audio tracks to a single reel. I'm your host, and in this guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to use this multi-track audio feature. We will cover how to add your first song, how to layer a second or third track on top of it, and how to adjust the volume levels so they blend perfectly. By the end of this video, you'll be mixing audio like a pro directly on your phone. All right, let's open Instagram and start creating. Tap the plus button and select Reel. Start by recording your video clips or uploading existing videos from your camera roll just like you normally would. Once your visual content is ready, tap Next to enter the editing phase. Now, let's add our first track. Tap the music note icon, Audio, at the top of the screen, or select Tap to add audio from the timeline view. Browse the Instagram music library, find a song you like, and add it. This will be your primary track. You can select the specific part of the song you want to use and lock it in. Here is where the magic happens. To add a second track, you need to enter the Advanced Editor. Tap on the button that says Edit Video at the bottom left of the screen. This opens up the timeline view where you can see your video clips and your first audio bar. Scroll the timeline to the point where you want the second song or sound effect to start. Look at the bottom toolbar and tap the Add Audio button again. This will reopen the music library. Select your second track. Instagram will now place this new audio track on a separate layer below your first one. You can now tap and drag this new audio bar to move it exactly where you want it. You can tap on the ends of the bar to trim it, making it shorter or longer. You can repeat this process to add more songs, sound effects, or even a voiceover, layering them to create a rich audio experience. The secret to a great multi-track reel is balancing your volume levels. You don't want your background music to overpower your voiceover or your second song to clash with the first. To fix this, tap on any audio track in your timeline to select it, then tap Volume at the bottom. You can lower the music volume to 10 to 20% if you're speaking over it, or fade one song out while fading another in. Another pro tip is to use this feature for sound effects. You aren't limited to just songs. You can search the music library for swoosh, camera shutter, or laugh, and layer these short sounds on top of your background music to emphasize funny moments or transitions in your video. What if you don't see the Add Audio button inside the editor? This usually happens if you haven't updated your app, but it can also be a regional restriction. If you've updated and still don't see it, try clearing your app cache or reinstalling Instagram. If your audio tracks are drifting or not syncing up with the video after you post, this is a common glitch. To avoid this, try to keep your total number of tracks under 5 or 6, even though the limit is 20. The more complex your timeline, the harder it is for the app to process it perfectly. If it keeps happening, it's safer to export your video and edit the audio in an external app like CapCut before uploading. So, we have reached the end of our guide. We've learned how to add multiple audio tracks in Instagram Reels using the native built-in editor. We've moved beyond single-song videos and unlocked the ability to create complex, engaging audio mixes. You now know how to layer songs, insert sound effects, and balance volume levels to tell a better story, all without ever leaving the Instagram app. I truly hope this Instagram Reels tutorial helps you create more engaging content. If it did, please give this video a like. It really helps the channel grow. And if you're interested in more tips on social media growth and Reels editing tricks, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Finally, I have a question for you. Do you prefer editing your audio inside Instagram, or do you still stick to external apps like CapCut? Let me know your preference in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.